Yeah, welcome guys to China's Disneyland, or as many people say, the Gobi Desert. I just got my ticket into the area of the Gobi Desert, where is a lot for tourists to walk. Yeah, maybe there's another way how to come to the desert without paying any entrance of like $14. Yeah, anyway, I think for me, as my time is short here, I just have 2 days. I'm willing to pay this money to be in the desert, which I think it's okay. And it looks beautiful here. Yeah, you have a lot of tourists. I think now it's high season because here are so many tourists from all over China. Yeah, I got myself these beautiful covers for the sand, and now I'm gonna go and walk the dunes all the way to the lake. Yeah, I'm gonna skip the camel ride because the line is too long. I'm gonna go up with the car because walking, wow, it's too much with all that gear. So yeah, you have these beautiful sand dunes. The sand dunes are pretty amazing. Hello, ni hao. Ni hao. Yeah, today it's my touristy day in the Disney world of Dunhuang. Yeah, you can do here some sand dune sliding if you like. For me it's not possible because I have my gear with me and I don't want that any sand comes into my camera or camera bag. So yeah, it's not a good idea if you have a lot of camera gear with yourself. But honestly, I would like to do it. Yeah, maybe next time. But here is the beautiful lake. Oh, there is the beautiful lake now, and we are going to watch the sunset here. So now I'm going to climb up to have a beautiful view. Unfortunately, there is no drone. Drones are not allowed. Hello, ni hao. Ni hao ma?
Ni hao. 你也好啊，什么时候过来的？你是哪个国家的？
Okay. He's asking me something. I have to check what what he wants from me. Okay. Let me see.
你来自哪里？
Yeah, my app is not working. Hello. Not working. Oh, sorry. Nice to meet you. Yeah, my app is not working because the internet connection here is not good. You need at least 3G, I think. Yeah, 3G connection is good for the translation apps in general. Not only Google Translate, also the Chinese translation app I have. Yeah, so I'm gonna look now for a good point to catch a good shot. So after a while I was walking around and looking for the perfect shot of the sunset with the pagoda in the background. After I took the shot, my battery of the GoPro unfortunately died, so I couldn't record everything, and I took out my iPad and took some pictures outside the pagoda and also inside. So inside the pagoda was very interesting because they had a lot of Buddha statues and also Buddhist art. The most fascinating to me was the Buddha picture with the halo and the Buddha holding a small child. It reminded me totally of the Mother Maria and baby Jesus. So this shows to me clearly that Christians took some inspiration from the Buddhist religion. So the next day I decided to visit the Mogao Caves. The Mogao Caves are also known as the 1000 Buddha Caves, and they are a system of 500 temples. They were discovered by the 19th century and are 1000 years old. In the Mogao Caves there are a lot of old Buddhist murals and a lot of Buddhist statues. From the 4th until the 14th century, caves were constructed by monks to serve as shrines with funds from donors. Unfortunately, filming inside the caves or taking pictures was forbidden, and I couldn't take any pictures. Despite not being able to take pictures in the Mogao Caves, I came across an exhibition about Gandhara. The exhibition was held in the nearby museum close to the Mogao Caves. So Gandhara was a region between Pakistan and Afghanistan. So this region was back then also conquered by Alexander the Great. So the Greeks brought the art of making statues to this region and taught the people over there how to make statues. And this is how the Greco-Buddhist art came to life. These statues are the oldest statues ever found of Buddha. They are dated up to 4th century BC. Yeah guys, today it was a good day and I had really fun at the Mogao Caves. I was not filming because I was not in the mood to film, and actually over there it's forbidden to film the caves because yeah, they just forbid, they don't allow people to film the old Mogao Caves. Anyway, I thought we are going to the sand dunes again because yesterday I actually found out from the Italians I've met that the ticket entrance for the dunes is a 3-day ticket, and now I want to climb up the dunes and see to find a good place for the drone to start the drone and fly over the sand dunes. So we'll see if it will work out. So I see you again at the sand dunes. Yeah, we are going all the way up here. So yeah, we almost made it halfway. So now let's go. Let's go. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a very sweaty situation, so it's hard work to going up there. Yeah. Ni hao.
Hello.
Hello. Where are you from?
from 重庆，
Tunjing. Oh,
去过吗？怎么说？
yeah, from Dagwar. Dagwar.
哎，我说啥？德国，德国
Dagwar.
，Friend，德国的。
Yeah, guys. I made it to the top. As you can see, it was hard work. Yeah, I'm totally sweat out. So now I'm gonna take a rest here and then walk up there to see if I can take some good pictures. Yeah, anyway, the view is very beautiful. Yeah guys, so I was up here, the view is amazing, I was enjoying the view and now I'm enjoying the sunset and I will head back to my hotel. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed that I couldn't fly a drone here, but it's obvious the sky here is full of helicopters, and other aircraft, so it is also forbidden to fly a drone here. And yeah, anyway, I'm a little bit disappointed that I couldn't fly a drone, and yeah, but I think I will have the chance somewhere else to fly it in the desert, maybe going to Dubai, to Oman, or even to the Sahara in Morocco, or maybe Mauritania, but I think there will be a complete separate journey, totally about a country that is in the desert. And yeah, so I will be happy to have some footage in the desert with a drone. Yeah, anyway, I'm heading off to the next destination, that is Xi'an. It's written Xian and it's pronounced Xi'an. In Xi'an, I want to see the terracotta soldiers, and yeah, maybe we can do some street photography in Xi'an. I don't know, I will check out how it is and you will see. So after that I'm heading to Beijing and then to Shanghai. I hope to get in Beijing some good street shots. If not, probably in Shanghai, so we'll see. Yeah guys, I see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and yeah, have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next episode.